Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to safely cut small pieces of wood on a miter saw. We all know that it's not safe to hold such small pieces with your fingers because machines have no mercy and can hurt us very easily. For this small side table we will need chipboard or some ply wood and pieces of wood. So follow me, and the process is very simple to make. Connect the chipboard and wood in this way and then fasten with clamps. Now determine how much space you need for cutting and stop the circular saw so that it does not move. Now we are making a small wooden handle that will hold the small pieces. It's very simple and at the same time very useful. You know how dangerous it is to cut small pieces while holding them with your fingers, so make this side table and save your fingers. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you and learned something new.